What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you a new series in my channel, which is must download Cydia theme. In this series I will show you beautiful themes that you must try, and it will give your device a new and wonderful look. Okay, now I will show you how to download, install and change the themes. Okay, first go to Cydia. Go to the sources here and add the source, Spark Developer Source. After adding the source, go to the search here. Here search for SnowBoard tweak. As you see, this is the tweak. What is SnowBoard? SnowBoard is a theme manager for iOS, and it works on iOS 7 up to iOS 14.8. With SnowBoard, you can manage and change the themes in your iPhone, and it is completely free. All you have to do is install the tweak. Click Modify, Install, Confirm. I installed SnowBoard, so I will not install it again. After installing SnowBoard, now I will show you how to get this beautiful theme and these circle icons. Alright, now go back to Cydia. Go to the search and search for Ace High Sierra XI. As you see, this is the theme that I use, and it's very beautiful theme and contains more than 350 icons. And the best thing about this theme is that it allows you to have circular icons. After installing the theme, go to the settings, scroll down and search for SnowBoard. As you see, this is the tweak. The first thing you will do here is activate the tweak from here. Now go to select theme. Here you will find all the themes that you have downloaded from Cydia. As you see, this is the theme that I downloaded. Now all you have to do is enable the theme. Alright, I will go back. In the icon option here, you can modify the icons. There are some useful options to customize the icons on your home screen. Okay, now after enable the theme, all you have to do is go to the home screen to see the theme. And the best thing about this tweak is that you don't need to respring your device after enabling the themes. Just click enable theme, then click apply changes, and that's it. As you see, this is the theme, and it is a beautiful theme that contains many beautiful icons. To be able to change the themes in your device, make sure to install SnowBoard. You will find the tweak source below the video. Alright guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Peace!